Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to learn about English. The first, greetings. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? How's everything going? How's everything going? It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Long time no see. Long time no see. How have you been? How have you been? What are you up to these days? What are you up to these days? And now responding to greetings. I am really good, thank you. I'm really good, thank you. I'm doing well, thanks. I'm doing well, thanks. Not to buy. Not to buy. Lovely to meet you too. Lovely to meet you too. Not much the usual really. Not much the usual really. How about you? How about you? Maybe enough for today. See you in the next video. Cheerio.